What's up, YouTube? We back with another Minoxidil beard journey update. I can't even tell you what date it is, what week, whatever. But, you know, I like to do my videos organically. You know, I try to keep a little schedule for y'all, but, you know, that ain't been working. So, I just do them whenever, you know, I just feel a need. And today, I'm getting ready to plan on tomorrow, actually. I have a trip coming up to go to Denver, Colorado. And, you know, I was getting ready to hop in the shower and all that. And I was like, you know what? This beard is popping right now. So I said, let me go ahead before I, you know, shampoo it and, you know, reapply my minoxidil and all that. I said, let me go ahead and hit them with a video because I know that's what they've been waiting on, you know. So here we go. But before I get into the games, I'm going to go ahead and, you know, just let y'all know what's been going on. I mean, I still been applying the minoxidil probably about 3, well, now more like it's been about 4 days a week. You know, it ain't been 7 days a week. You know, I was trying to do 5 days a week with the 2 days off to where I used to dermaroll way back in the day. But if you've been following me, you know I ain't dermarolled in probably about, I don't know, like 5 months or so. But anyway, I still apply the minoxidil about 4 days a week. Twice a day, you know. But yeah, this is where we at. So here's the front. Look at them games. Hopefully y'all can see all that. This is the left side. Hopefully y'all seeing all that. And this is the right side. See that neck is coming in pretty good. And this is the under the neck area. It's coming in pretty good, but like I say, this is like 11, 12 o'clock at night. This is at the end of a long, hard day. So I haven't did nothing special. I ain't even touched my beard since probably about 2 p.m. And so that was about 10 hours ago. But, you know, I just wanted to let y'all know, you know, where I was at and let y'all go ahead and see the game. So, yeah, but I appreciate everybody that, you know, come back and watch my videos. You know, appreciate the subscribers, all that. But, alright, that's it for the week. I'll hit y'all with another video sometime soon. But I'll leave the week and all that shit in the description below. So, alright, peace.